The future depends on what you do today. So, with this motivational thought, let's begin the class. Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all must be fine and safe at your home. So, children, today we will again continue Chapter 2, Role of Computers. So, students, I would request you all to kindly open page number 21. Today, let's find out what is the role of computers in education. These days, the pandemic time, the computers are very helpful in our education. Computers are very helpful in almost everything we do. Like these days, we are studying on computer, we are writing notes, the question answers that is given by our teachers, we do it with the help of computer. Computers have increased the teaching and learning process. That means these days the students are getting videos of each and every subject, and just because of computers the learning has become easy, the teaching has become easy for the students also and for the teachers also. Teachers are preparing videos with the help of computers so that our students get the appropriate knowledge through the computers. And because of computers, it has become friendly and interesting. The education that we are doing on computer is also known as e-learning, that is electronic learning. We can find out lot of information. Computers help students and teachers also in finding the information on any topic. If you are stuck at somewhere, if you don't know the meaning of a word, you can find out the meaning of any word, any topic with the help of computer. With the help of computers, the students do their projects and they also complete their assignments that is given by the teachers. You can find out any information of any subject, be it maths, computer, EVS, English, Hindi, arts, anything. Computers help in checking the spellings. That means if you don't know the spelling of any word, you can find out the correct spelling. And you can also find out the meaning also of a word. It also helps in finding the solutions to many problems. We can also find out the videos of any topic on the chapter that is being taught in the class. So that means whatever is being taught in the class, you can find out the videos with the help of computer. Convenience. Convenience means easy. It helps students to watch the videos as per their convenience. Like we are sending the videos through WhatsApp. So if you are not well, or if you are busy, or if you have gone somewhere, or your mom and dad is not at your home, or your phone is not working properly, then you can watch the video at any time, whenever you are comfortable. That means you can watch the video as per your convenience. It means that whenever you have time, you can watch the video. If you are busy right now, you can watch the video in the evening also. Interactive lessons. Nowadays, we are using smart classrooms. Like when you were in nursery and KG, you must have seen smart boards in your classroom. So how does it help? It is easy for children to understand any topic of any subject very easily. Why? Because you can see the videos. Like these days, we are sending the videos. So what happens? Children get interested and they love to watch the videos. So this is what? This is interactive. That means you can interact with the video. We teachers use the recorded audios and videos so that the topics that we are teaching you, it could be explained to you guys in a more better way. Like English teachers are preparing videos, math teachers are preparing videos, your computer teacher is also preparing a video. Why we are preparing a video? So that you can understand the chapter very well. Easy assessment. It is also easy for the teachers to assess you guys. How? Like last Saturday, I took a test, online test. So it was easy for me also to assess you what you have studied, and it was easy for you also to give the test online. Students can also appear online test. That I have sent you the online link if you remember last Saturday, and we can also send you the result online as well. That means on your father or mother's email ID, we can send you the result. We also conduct the classes on Zoom and Google Meet. Like every Saturday, we do an interactive session with you guys on Zoom. So that the teachers, parents and students can communicate, can talk to each other, and we can see face to face, okay, on Zoom meeting. Now let's find out what is the impact, how computers have affected our daily lives. Computers are creating a great impact in our life. How? Like these days in this pandemic time, we are creating videos, we are making lesson plans, we are preparing the question answers on the computer only. And you as a student, you guys, what you are doing? You are watching the videos on your smartphones, you are doing your work with the help of your computer and your smartphone. Computers have replaced so many things, like these days watch, calculator, calendar, each and everything is available on our smartphone. So we hardly keep the calculator, we hardly keep the calendar in our home, we hardly wear the wristwatches also. It helps us to type quickly. We can do typing. We can send and receive messages. Like these days, you are sending the videos, you are sending the messages, the good morning messages to your friends, to your relatives. We can learn new things. Like you must have seen that your mother is preparing a new recipe with the help of YouTube. On YouTube, you will find so many new recipes. You can learn new languages also. And you can also do online courses by sitting at home. And we can also do the difficult calculations. And on our smartphone, we can also check the weather. What will be the weather tomorrow? So these are all the things that we can do on our computer. Dear students, I hope you must have understood the chapter very well. Dear students, if you really like the video, please click on this subscribe button so that you get more videos like this. And also do press the like button. Thank you children. Thank you so much. God bless you all.